I don't need the gems of the world to be called a king sitting on a throne with servants, a king ruling over the peasants of the earth. I don't need to be called invincible, incredible, praised for, loved, and worshipped like the religion of the church. Instead, I'd continue to be like me, low key. I don't need a title to be called worthy because I've matured enough in this life to still be caring about envy, bragging about a moment and convincing me that moment to be a measure of my life. Reality check, please. Your IGs and TikToks can't extinguish my fire. And if you're happy with your life, good for you. Stay on your own tracks. I'll stay on mine. Though my wine is cheaper, I am proud of my labor. Though I can't call it sweeter, I grow my own vine and I'm filling fresh wineskins for my future. I'm tuned in to my goals with awareness of self appreciation and care less about other people's reflections of resentments of failed dreams and personal aspirations. You blew your opportunity with greatness. Don't delay my wagon. I'm on a mission, and during this journey, I have no free space for an excess. I'm learning from your behavior now. Your failures are very obvious to be the driving factor of your efforts to restrain my success. And unlike you, I can still breathe even if the crowds don't chant my name. Because unlike you, I pursue happiness and not fame.